While you're in Broome, come on a journey of discovery and uncover the secrets of pearling at the Willie Creek Pearl Farm. Discover a unique insight into modern pearl farming and witness rare and beautiful Australian South Sea pearls in the making. Discover how technicians seed a live oyster, then cruise the pristine waters and view oyster panels suspended in their natural environment. Discover the Willie Creek Farm showroom and view the most exquisite collection of pearl jewellery. Then soak up the surroundings overlooking the waters of Willie Creek whilst relaxing at the cafe. But best of all, discover just how easy it is to visit with hotel coach pickup, self-drive, or take to the skies and experience Willie Creek by helicopter. Complete your Broome experience and discover the award-winning Willie Creek Pearl Farm Tour.